Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Now I'm going to talk about Notion and AI today. We know that Notion has integrated artificial intelligence into its platform. This is to enhance productivity, creativity and collaboration within your workspace. So the first thing you need to do is enable Notion AI. This requires a subscription fee of $10 per month per user. Now these are the steps you're going to take to activate it or enable AI or Notion AI. 1. Open Notion on your laptop. 2. Click on Settings and Members in the sidebar. Then navigate to Notion AI section and toggle the switch to enable Notion AI. Once you've done this, you can now go and use the feature you want. Now the feature I want to use is called the AI chat on search. That is the AI feature we'll talk about today. Now the AI chat on search helps you in engaging in conversational interaction, answers questions and searches across your Notion workspace and integrated sources. And how do you use this? The first thing you need to do is open the AI chat interface within Notion. Then you ask questions or request your information, and Notion AI will provide responses based on your data and integrated sources. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.